How to use Shopify for musicians and bands. So hello everyone, so in today's video I will show you guys on how to use Shopify for musicians and bands. So without further ado, let us begin. But before we start, there will be a link down in the description below which will redirect you to a sign up page for Shopify and where you can get a 3-day free trial. And then after those 3 days, these 3 plans over here in Shopify, the basic plan, the Shopify plan, and the advanced plan will only cost you $1 per month instead of $19, $49, and $299. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started with the tutorial. So the big question is, why should you use Shopify for bands and musicians? Well, Shopify allows you to sell your products in one place and of course manage everything online. So it has features like analytics, discounts, and of course customizing your online store. So the first thing that we're going to do first is to add our product. So to do that, just go to products over here and then just simply click on add product. And then as an example, I'll be selling instruments. So I'll be selling electric guitars as an example, electric guitars. And then after that, just input the description of your product over here, or you can just simply use Shopify's AI. For me, I'll just use Shopify's AI and then just put in these keywords. And after that, AI will generate a description for us. So you can either keep this or generate a new one. For me, I'll just keep it. Next is media. So in here, just upload the image of your product right here. So for example, I'll be using this image right here. I'll just upload it and then there you go. So while it's uploading, you can upload more images right here just by clicking on this. Next is pricing. So in here, just input the price of your product right here. So as an example, I'll sell it around 8,000 pesos and then there you go. You can also add the cost per item right here so that Shopify can calculate your profit and margin. Next is some inventory settings. So in here, you can check the quantity of your products. Just make sure that this box is ticked. And after that, you can also configure some other settings right here like continue selling with out of stock, or if your product has an SKU or barcode. Next is shipping. So since we're selling instruments, make sure that this box right here is ticked since it's a physical product. You can also add the weight over here and add more additional customs information. Next is variants. So in here, you can add variants for your product. So in here, you can either use the pre-made variants in Shopify like instrument color, fingerboard color, and a lot more. So feel free to check the section out, or you can create a custom one right here. So for me, I'll just choose the pre-made one right here, which is instrument color. I'll just select on that, and after that, I'll just click on this to add the colors. So for example, I'll be selling it in black, let's say red, and then there you go. So once you're done adding your variants, just simply click on done right there, and then there you go. And then next, what you can also do is add different prices for your variants right here. So you can add a different price for the black one and a different price for the red one. So feel free to customize these variants out. Next is category meta fields. So in here, just input your category meta fields. So you can input them here, or you can just choose some category meta fields right here at the bottom. Next is search engine listing. So this is what your product will look like if someone will search it online. Next, at the very top over here is we have status. So in here, you can set the status of your product as active or draft. Next is we have product type. So just input your product type over here. So I'll just put instruments as a product type. Choose your vendor over here. You can also add this to your collection. So for me, I'll just add it to my homepage and then just add your tags. So again, I'll just add instruments as a tag, and then I'll also add electric guitar as a tag, and then there you go. And then once you're done customizing your product, just simply click on save, and after that, your product has now been created. Next, I'll be adding two more instruments. So I'll be adding a drum set and a bass guitar. So again, to add your product, just simply click on add product over here and then just redo the details that you did a while ago. And then there you go. I added 2 more products. Again, I added a bass guitar and a drum kit. So next, what we're going to do now is to customize our online store. So to do that, just go to online store over here. And after that, you can either use Shopify's default theme, which is Dawn, or you can use the themes right here at the bottom. So these are free themes that you can use at the bottom. So if you want to use these themes, just simply click on add. And then after that, that theme will now be applied to your website. But if you want to view more themes, just click on this link right here, visit the theme store, and then after that, you'll be redirected here in the theme store of Shopify. So feel free to choose what kind of theme you want to use. But for me, I'll just use the default theme of Shopify. So I'll just click on customize right here. And after that, we'll be redirected here in the website editor. So what we're going to do first is to customize our sections. So section is usually covered around by these blue lines over here. And you'll also see its name at the top left corner. So this section that I'm hovering on is an image banner. So when I click on this section, on the right side, there will be some settings that will pop up that will allow us to customize our section. So we can add images, change the color scheme, and also add animation. So feel free to customize your sections out. So for me, I'll just add an image, So I'll just click on select image right here, and then let's say I want to use this image right here, click on done. And after that, that image will now be applied to your image banner. And then after that, for example, I want to change this text over here. Let's say I'll just rename it to browse our instruments. And then there you go. Next, what we're going to do now is to add sections. So to add sections, just go to the left side over here, go to template, and then simply click on add section. And then from here, you can choose any section that you want to add. So you can add a featured product, video, an email sign up, and a lot more. So feel free to choose what kind of section you want to add. For me, I'll just add a featured product section. There you go. I'll just click on this, and then in the right side, I'll just select the product that I want to feature. So for example, I want to feature my electric guitars, and then there you go. You can also change the color scheme if you want to, and a lot more. So again, feel free to customize your sections out. And then if you want to customize the other pages of your store, just simply click on this, and then you can now start editing your products page, your cart and checkout page, and a lot more. So feel free to customize these pages out. And then once you're done customizing your website, just simply click on save to save your changes. And after that, you are now done. So we can now exit out of here. And then if you want to preview your site, just simply click on these three dots right here, click on preview. And then after that, you'll be redirected here to your website. Next is we have analytics. So in here, you'll get to see a detailed view about the analytics of your website. So you get to see your total sales, total orders, average order value, and a lot more. So feel free to check this section out. Next is we have reports. So in here, you'll get to see all the reports relating to your website. And then you can also create custom reports right here in the top right corner. Next is we have a live view. So in here, you'll get to see a live view of your website. So you get to see how many visitors you have right now, total sales, total sessions, total orders, and a lot more. So again, feel free to check this page out. And then lastly, we have discounts. So in here, you can create discounts for your products. So to create a discount, just simply click on add discount right here, and then just select your discount type. So you can choose amount off products, buy X, get Y, amount off order, or free shipping. So again, feel free to choose your discount type. For me, I'll just choose amount off order. And after that, you'll be redirected here. So first, just choose your method. So you can use a discount code or automatic discount. For me, I'll just choose discount code. And after that, just input your discount code over here, or you can generate a random one right here. For me, I'll just generate a random one. Next is we have discount value. So in here, just input your discount value. So you can set it as percentage or percentage or fixed amount. For me, I'll just leave it at percentage and set it as 5%. And after that, there are also some settings for you that you can customize for your discount, like minimum purchase requirements, customer eligibility, maximum discount uses, and combinations. So feel free to customize these settings out. And then lastly, we have active dates. So in here, you can set start dates and end dates for your discount. So just input their dates here, and also their start time and their end time. And then once you're done customizing your discount, just simply click on save discount. And then after that, your discount has now been created. And then at the very top over here, you'll also get a shareable link so that you can promote your discount code via email or social media to your customers. And then after that, you're pretty much done. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Shopify for musicians and bands. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.